I'm sure you've heard the news. When it comes to vodka, not all bottles are created equal. In fact, the world of vodka is a wild, unpredictable place. Some bottles promise you a night of fun and laughter, but what they actually deliver is a morning of regret and a taste you'll never forget, no matter how hard you try. Whether you're a seasoned vodka enthusiast or just someone looking for a decent mixer for your next party, it's important to know which bottles to reach for and which ones to avoid, like last week's leftovers. Today, we're diving deep into the world of vodkas that taste less like a smooth spirit and more like something you'd find under your kitchen sink. Buckle up, because this is going to be a bumpy ride through the bottom shelf, and maybe, just maybe, we'll find a hidden gem along the way. We've all been there. You're at a party, the music's thumping, everyone's having a good time, and someone cracks open a bottle of vodka. The night starts off with high hopes, but by the end, you're left with a pounding headache, a mouth that tastes like regret, and a vow to never touch that brand again. Some vodkas promise a party and deliver a pounding headache instead. It's almost like they're designed to betray you, luring you in with flashy bottles and clever marketing, only to leave you wishing you'd stuck to water. Let's be honest. There are some vodkas out there that you only buy once. Maybe it was on sale, maybe you were feeling adventurous, or maybe it was the only thing left on the shelf at 1 a.m. But after one taste, you realize this bottle's true destiny isn't in your glass. It's under your sink, next to the cleaning supplies. These are the vodkas that double as paint strippers, the ones you keep around just in case you need to disinfect a wound or clean a stubborn stain. If you've ever wondered which vodkas to avoid, keep watching, because we're about to call them out by name. Alright, picture this. It's late, you're desperate, and that lonely vodka bottle is winking at you from the countertop like it's got your back. Maybe you're out of mixers, maybe you're out of options, but you convince yourself that it can't be that bad. You pour yourself a shot, raise your glass, and hope for the best, but as soon as it hits your lips, you know you've made a terrible mistake. The taste is sharp, medicinal, and instantly regrettable. It's the kind of experience that makes you question your life choices and vow to do better next time. Spoiler alert, some vodkas are just waiting to betray you. First up on our list, Svedka. Now, Svedka's bottle screams hip and trendy, with its sleek design and bold colors. It's the kind of bottle you might see at a college party or on the shelf at your local bar. But don't let the packaging fool you. The taste? Pure nail salon chic. It's as if someone took the essence of a nail polish remover, added a hint of artificial fruit, and called it a day. One sip and you're transported straight to the back room of a beauty salon, surrounded by the scent of acetone and regret. Drinking Svedka neat is like doing shots of air freshener, burning, medicinal, and guaranteed to haunt your regrets at 2 a.m. The initial burn is intense, but it's the lingering aftertaste that really gets you. It clings to your mouth, refusing to let go, no matter how much water you drink. And if you're brave enough to mix it into a cocktail, don't expect it to disappear. Svedka has a way of overpowering even the strongest mixers, leaving you with a drink that tastes more like a science experiment than a party starter. If you're looking for a vodka that doubles as a conversation starter, mainly because everyone will be asking why it tastes so strange, Svedka is the one for you. Next up, we have Sky. With its iconic blue bottle and sleek branding, Sky looks like it belongs at the center of any party. It promises sophistication, style, and a smooth drinking experience. But as soon as you take that first sip, the illusion shatters. Sky Y is all promise up front, then bam, chemical burn city. It's the kind of vodka that makes you question if you just licked a 9th grade chem lab. The taste is sharp, almost metallic, with a harshness that lingers long after you've finished your drink. It's the kind of vodka that's best left on the shelf, unless you're looking to relive your high school science class in the worst way possible. One sip of Sky neat, and you'll know exactly what I mean. The initial flavor is almost pleasant, but it quickly gives way to a burning sensation that coats your throat and refuses to let go. Even when mixed with juice or soda, Sky's chemical notes manage to shine through, turning even the simplest cocktail into a challenge. If you're looking for a vodka that's as memorable as it is regrettable, Sky is a strong contender. Now let's talk about Pop-Off. Pop-Off is the vodka equivalent of eating ramen for the 5th night straight. Desperate times, desperate measures, instant regret. It's the go-to choice for college students on a budget, partygoers who don't know any better, and anyone who values quantity over quality. The taste is harsh, unrefined, and unmistakably cheap. It's the kind of vodka that makes you question your life choices, especially when you wake up the next morning with a headache that feels like it could split your skull in two. Pop-Off tastes like it could strip paint, and maybe it should. The burn is intense, the aftertaste is bitter, and the overall experience is one you won't soon forget. If you're looking for a vodka that doubles as a cleaning product, Pop-Off is the one for you. Just don't expect it to impress your friends or elevate your cocktails. This is the kind of vodka you buy when you're out of options and desperate for a drink. Burnett's is another party staple that deserves a spot on this list. The unflavored version, in particular, is harsh, drying, and about as subtle as a slap to the face. It's the kind of vodka that makes you wince with every sip, no matter how much you try to mask the flavor with mixers. Burnett's is a favorite among college students and budget-conscious drinkers, but it's not winning any awards for taste. If you're looking for a vodka that will get the job done, at the expense of your taste buds, Burnett's is a solid choice. Even when mixed into a punch bowl, Burnett's is fighting to ruin your drink. The harshness cuts through even the sweetest mixers, leaving you with a cocktail that's more punishment than pleasure. If you're hosting a party and want to make sure your guests remember the night for all the wrong reasons, Burnett's is the way to go. And then there's 3 Olives Plain. When it misses, it really misses. The flavor is reminiscent of rubbing alcohol, with a throat punch included for good measure. It's the kind of vodka that makes you question whether you're drinking a spirit or sanitizing your insides. 3 Olives has some decent flavored options, but the plain version is a gamble at best. If you're feeling adventurous and want to test your taste buds, give it a try, but don't say I didn't warn you. So, next time you're shopping for vodka, remember, some bottles are all pain, no pleasure. Don't be fooled by flashy packaging or clever marketing. Take the time to read reviews, ask for recommendations, and maybe even sample a few before committing to a full bottle. Your taste buds and your wallet will thank you in the long run. Trust me, your taste buds, and tomorrow morning, you'll thank me. Because at the end of the day, vodka should be something you enjoy, not something you endure. So choose wisely, drink responsibly, and remember, life's too short for bad vodka. Cheers to finding the bottle that surprises you in all the right ways.